Hello, welcome to the fourth tutorial. In this tutorial, we're gonna learn how you can live stream someone remotely into our live streaming. So actually, you chat with someone, and like I did on last Sunday, I chat with Eva through Skype, but with the software plugin called NDI. So let's look at Skype first. Skype is one of the most popular live chat software, and yep, you can download the Skype. And once you download it, you should also need, or you sign in first. Sign in. If you have a Hotmail or Outlook account, you can sign in straight away. Don't need to apply. If you don't, it's okay. Just sign up with Gmail or whatever mail you can. Once you go in, and in your OBS, you need to um, enable it. You need to install a plugin called NDI. So I have here a website. I put it in description. So you install that. Of course, you need to choose the plugin or that's suitable for your Mac or for your computer, like Mac or Windows. So here it is. And also after you've done that in the Skype, let me see how I can show you without chatting now. Okay, and the Skype. Hmm? Okay, in Skype, you also need to enable the NDI. NDI is found in here. Setting, calling, advanced, allow NDI usage. So you have to you and the person you're calling to need to enable that. Okay. So once you're done enable both sides, you can call someone. Now I can call my son Nathan. Let's see another room. Let's give him a call. Okay, now Nathan is in another room. Well, teddy bear is Nathan. So, and you can see that as an NDI is in here. So you actually broadcast to them, and you also they're broadcasting to you as well. I guess you don't have to broadcast to them. To be honest, mostly it's they broadcasting to you. That's the most important thing. And in here, so once you install the Skype and install the NDI, enable the NDI, and probably you to restart the OBS, restart the window, and then you can find this option here, NDI source. So enable it, click it. I just put Nathan here, put down, click in here. And once you click in here, it won't pick up Sky Live. Will it pick up? Oh, yep. So I can see Nathan here. What, Nathan's a teddy bear? I can see a teddy. I can see a teddy bear here, and you can actually hear teddy bear Nathan teddy bears talking. You can see that actually playing some video clip the song through the computer as well. So that's playing coming the audio a little bit too hot. Let me turn it down a bit. Yep. So yeah, so they can actually see in here, right? Eva. So when Eva or teddy bear is talking, put teddy bear there. And when teddy bear is not talking, this and that's when teddy bear is talking and teddy bear is not leading the worship. When teddy bear is leading the worship, I can have teddy bear in the corner. So how do we do that? So you go to the worship. When teddy bear is leading the worship, put in here. And once start singing, we need the lyrics. We put in here. We add NDI source to this. And Nathan is here. So Nathan's here. We put Nathan in the corner. The teddy bear. And we have people whoever singing, and they also have the PowerPoint in there. Okay, so go ahead and try that. If you need someone to Skype with, give me a call, give me an email or WeChat, so we can do that online. And good that you have someone to work. If you have two computer, easy sign with two account, and maybe you have some flatmate that's coming through with you, do it with your flatmate or whoever your wife or whatever. Okay, so yeah, let me know when you're stuck. So now we are in all set. You should be all good, live to go. And yeah, maybe next tutorial we try to put a live stream together. I'll show you a live stream together. Hey, let's do that. Okay, so when the format is like that, welcoming welcoming video of Mike, and then up to teddy bear leading the worship. Hi teddy bear. And when teddy bear starts singing, lead the congregation with some lyrics. And after lyrics, prayer, and then it will talk to the preacher, the sermon. Let's go to the sermon, and then go to Andrew. And then once Andrew finished the sermon, we go to the sermon questions. And here are sermon questions. So you have to prepare all you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As I said, there's maybe some slight change from week to week because someone might not as confident as Eva, don't want to do live streaming. They maybe want a recorded worship instead of live streaming. So you put that into a video to that. Actually, it's easier to do that as well. You can actually check with whoever you live stream with. Like on Sunday, I actually checked to Skype chat to Eva. Say, hey, yeah, you're almost on. Get ready, and I check with him. And once you do that, you actually mute in here. Mute yourself. You don't want anything noise going to your live stream. Go to Eva's speaker and come back to his microphone. You won't want that. You actually want all your. You don't want them to hear yourself as well. So yep, if you don't have microphone in your Mac, in your computer, that's fine. We don't need to speak into the podcast and live streaming. Okay, in next job we're going to do a live stream together. All right, see you later.